Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download all your photos and images in a Google Drive. So the biggest problem is how to segregate your photos and images from the whole Google Drive where the documents, videos and all of the sources are involved in it, right? So you don't need to worry about that, you will learn in this video only. Click on this type option. You can see photos and images and all the forms that you want, like there's videos, pdfs and all, but we want photos and images in this as for now, right? Click on this photos and images and you will automatically see that it automatically segregates your images and photos from whole Google Drive. Click on this empty space in the right side of your images and uh, press Ctrl plus A. It automatically selects all your photos and images, right? Just click on this and click on the download button. It start downloading. You need to wait till it's downloaded. It's obviously depending upon your Wi-Fi connection and your how your laptop speed is there. You just need to wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Yeah, you can see the files have been downloaded. Name as photo one or like photo only, and just click on the save button, right? It's downloaded. Now click on this download button and it's wait, it's done. It's taking 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, so it's done. Now click on this folder button, click on this photo, and you can automatically see that the Google Drive photos has been downloaded in your system. That's it for the video. Thank you so much.